Two giants in customer relationships, HubSpot CRM and Zendesk. Both claim to be the best, but which one really delivers? On the left, HubSpot CRM, the all-in-one platform for growth. And on the right, Zendesk, the support-first powerhouse trusted worldwide. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real comparisons. Each category earns points, so at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay, quick pit stop before we jump in. I want to show you a mind map of every category we'll be comparing these two on. So here's what we've got. Core focus, pricing, ticketing, and support, omnichannel support, AI and automation, knowledge base, reporting and analytics, integrations, ease of use, scalability, and feedback and surveys. Honestly, pretty stacked. So buckle up. All right. Let's kick it off with core focus. HubSpot CRM is basically the poster child for unified CRM. It pulls together marketing, sales, and service. So you get this all-in-one approach, and you can see your entire customer lifecycle, no sweat. The downside? If you need super specialized support for big enterprise clients, you might need some extra setup over time. Now, Zendesk is laser-focused on customer service. This thing was built for handling massive ticket volumes, advanced support workflows, you name it. But if you're hoping for deep marketing or sales tools, that's not really Zendesk's jam. So in terms of core focus, honestly, they both kill it in their own lane. It's a tie. Next up, pricing. HubSpot? Oh man, they get it. There's a free tier, lots of flexible packages, and if you've got teams spread out between sales, service, and marketing, you're going to get way more bang for your buck. But yeah, heads up. The powerful stuff does need an upgrade. Zendesk's pricing, it's powerful for big ops, but wow, it can get pricey, especially once you need enterprise features. No free tier here, and you might find yourself paying for extras. Value-wise, HubSpot definitely takes this one. So let's talk about ticketing and support. HubSpot CRM works well for small to mid-size setups. It's got those drag-and-drop workflows, and it integrates with your CRM data pretty smoothly. But let's be real. If you're dealing with mountains of tickets and need intricate customization, it starts to feel a bit lightweight. Now, Zendesk, this is where it flexes big time. The customization for ticketing is insane. Plus, you've got advanced SLA tracking, agent tiers, all the fancy tools, and it handles heavy ticket volumes like a champ. Downside? It takes some time to learn all the features. But if you're all about support, Zendesk wins here. Oh, and here's something cool I just learned. Did you know that both Zendesk and HubSpot are seriously converging in 2025? Zendesk's beefing up their CRM features, while HubSpot's adding more AI tools for customer experience. It's like they're both reading our minds or something. Omnichannel support is a huge buzzword right now. So here's the lowdown. HubSpot CRM covers email, chat, forms, and they've got some basic voice tools and bots. But honestly, when you want to do things like SMS or connect to every messaging app under the sun, you'll need to rely on third-party apps or some creative Zapier workarounds. Zendesk, though, seriously, it's like the Swiss Army knife here. Native voice, SMS, email, socials, chat, all in one spot. For small teams, it might feel like a lot, but if you need true omnichannel, Zendesk smashes it. Let's get nerdy for a second with AI and automation. HubSpot is super easy. Even if you're not a technical wizard, you can set up automations with visual workflow builders. And fun fact, they're rolling out more specialized AI for customer experience soon. The flip side is, you might hit limits if you want really deep operational tricks. Zendesk, it's more technical, but the automation is advanced. Triggers, bots, super customizable. But yeah, it leans towards folks who don't mind getting their hands dirty with setup. On balance, gotta call it, both strong, so it's a tie. All right, on to knowledge base. HubSpot's setup is clean, straightforward, and honestly, great for SEO. It's even smart enough to personalize articles using CRM data. But if you need all kinds of custom stuff, there aren't as many options. Now, Zendesk, this thing goes all out. Customizable knowledge bases, multi-brand portals, forums, chatbots that help answer questions, fully branded help centers, the works. Downside? Can take a while to get running, but still, Zendesk wins big here. Reporting and analytics. Yes, the stuff we all glance at once a week and pretend we're experts. HubSpot's dashboards are clear, plug right into your CRM, and you don't need a spreadsheet degree to make sense of them. But operationally, you might wish for deeper numbers. Zendesk, their analytics are next level, especially with Zendesk Explore. You can slice and dice metrics like crazy. On the catch, it's a bit more complex to get going. Zendesk takes the crown here. Integrations! HubSpot rocks inside its own universe, ties beautifully to all the sales and marketing stuff. Connected, smooth, but when you want third-party plugins for wild edge cases, it's a little limited. Now, Zendesk really blows the doors off. Over 1,300 apps in their marketplace. Advanced APIs, build custom stuff if you want. So many choices, it's almost dizzying. Zendesk wins, but yeah, be ready to spend time exploring. Ease of use is something we don't talk enough about, honestly. HubSpot's UI is a breath of fresh air. Clean, simple, short learning curve, especially for those cross-functional teams, doesn't try to wow you with complexity. Sure, power users might hit some limits. Zendesk is also intuitive for agents and has customizable workflows, but as you scale, things get trickier. The learning curve gets steeper. So for most folks, HubSpot nails it here. Scalability. HubSpot is actually solid for small and mid-sized businesses that are scaling across sales, service, and beyond. You might need to tweak settings and configs as you get bigger, but nothing too wild. Zendesk, man, it's built to grow. Works seamlessly for large support teams. No sweat. If you don't have a ton of tickets, it might even be overkill. But for scaling fast, Zendesk wins hands down. Feedback and surveys. HubSpot lets you run NPS, CSAT, CES surveys natively and automatically tie results back to the customer journey, all in one flow. Super slick if you like data. Only catch? It's all within HubSpot's domain. Zendesk supports surveys, but it's kind of patchwork. Sometimes you'll need add-ons or third-party plugins for the good stuff. So yeah, HubSpot actually wins this round. Let's quickly zoom out and take a look at our radar chart. It's like a heat map of strengths. You'll notice HubSpot crushes it in CRM unity, value for money, and overall usability, while Zendesk shows serious muscle in ticketing, omnichannel support, and deep customizations. So here's my honest take. If your team needs a unified approach, one CRM that actually brings together marketing, sales, and service, and you don't want to wrestle with a complicated setup, HubSpot's your best bet. But if you're all about high-volume, super detailed support workflows, and you need serious power and custom options, Zendesk is absolutely built for you. All right, if you want CRM Unity powered by marketing, sales, and service in one, go for HubSpot. But if you're after specialized customer support that can handle complexity and scale like a beast, Zendesk is your move. The choice, as always, is yours.